Hey, hello and welcome back to the ever-changing world of the Bad Bet Gardener. Today I am at my new home where I'm established. It's probably not going to be a long-term home here. It's just a house that I've gotten down here in Florida, and so I'm going to try and create some small gardens and do some gardening shows and videos here and create myself a little gardening area that I can. I will give you a tour of some of what I've got going on another video, but today we're just going to mainly be dealing with a vegetable garden that I'm trying to create, and I'm not creating anything too elaborate. I'm just going to try and neaten up what was once here somebody else's little garden. It's basically just some dirt that's scattered around. I'm going to create my little garden oasis, if you would, and try and neaten up, make it look a little bit better if I can here, and maybe create a few little raised beds that I can grow in at the same time. It won't be a permanent garden. It'll be something that I can probably take apart and take with me whenever I do decide to leave. So that's what we're going to do today, so stay tuned. Okay, so this is the area I was telling you about. I have some of my pots already planted here, some tomatoes and some beans and peppers, some cilantro, and some flowers. But as you can see over here, you can see the ground where somebody else has gardened before. There's some dirt here, and it doesn't look much of a garden, so that's what I'm going to try and do today, is make it look a little better. Garden oasis for me, a temporary thing that I can take apart. It's something I can take a little pride in, make a nice little garden here for us. So that's the project for today. So I'll show you some pictures along the way and show it to you at the end what it looks like. Okay, so I've got all my lumber pre-cut. I did all my cutting ahead of time, so I can just do this all at once. Hopefully it works out good. I've got it kind of designed on paper and pre-cut all of it. The general idea is I'm going to just do some landscaping around that existing raised bed there, and then these pots I'm going to move out of here, and I'm going to frame in a section here. I'm going to have maybe a couple raised beds on this side and in the middle. And then on this side over here, I'm going to create a raised bed, but it's not going to be a real tall raised bed. It's going to be more for like ground vegetables, like growing melons or cucumbers or something like that. But so the idea is to have a big raised bed area over here and two smaller raised beds, and then a place for the pots to go back in. So it'll look all nice and neat, is the general idea. Okay, so this is what we're looking at here at the end. I still have to fill in the two small raised beds. I still have to fill in with some more dirt, which I have. I just didn't have time to do it today since the plants needed watered, and I wanted to finish this up. So, but that area is going to be for ground plants, melons, cucumbers, stuff like that. The other two will probably be for tomatoes or peppers or something. And I got a place for my pots in the middle, and then framed that up to make it look nicer. Pot on each end, and my raised bed in there too. So, thanks for watching this video from the Bad Back Gardener. Catch up with me on Facebook. You can also email me at bbgardner@zoominternet.net. And as always, if your back ain't hurting, you ain't working.